Good afternoon, students. In the last class, we had discussed about the plant tissues. So now, let us talk about the animal tissues. There are four types of animal tissues. They are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Blood and muscles are both example of tissues found in our body. Blood carries the oxygen and food to all cells of our body. On the basis of their functions, they are divided into four types. First one is epithelial tissue. The covering or protective tissues in the animal body are called as epithelial tissues. It also forms a barrier to keep different body systems separate. The skin, lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, lung, alveoli, and kidney tubules are all made up of epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissue cells are tightly packed and no intercellular spaces. Epithelial tissue play an important role in regulating the exchange of materials between body and environment. There are four types of epithelial tissues. First one is squamous epithelial tissue. Second is cuboidal epithelial tissue. Third is columnar epithelial tissue. And fourth is stratified squamous epithelial tissue. Now, the first epithelial tissue is squamous epithelial tissue. The cells of this tissue are thin and flat. These tissues are found in esophagus and lining of mouth and skin. Second one is cuboidal epithelial tissue. The cells of this tissue are arranged in many layers. These are found in skin. Third one is columnar or ciliated epithelial tissue. Columnar epithelial cell has cilia, which are hair-like projections on the outer surface. These are found in lining of intestine and in respiratory tract. Fourth one is stratified squamous epithelial tissue. A portion of this tissue folds inward and a multicellular gland is formed. This is found in lining of kidney tubules and ducts of a salivary gland. It provides mechanical support to the body. Second one is connective tissue. The second animal tissue is a connective tissue. In that, blood. Blood is a type of connective tissue. The cells of this tissue are loosely spaced and is jelly-like, fluid, dense or rigid. Blood has fluid matrix that is called as plasma. Blood has RBC, WBC, platelets, and they are suspended in the nature. RBC means red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, they are suspended in the blood. Plasma has proteins, salts, and hormones. Blood flows and transports gases, waste materials, food, and hormones to various parts of a body. Second one is bone. This is another type of connective tissue. It forms the framework that supports the body. The cells of this are made up of calcium and phosphorus. It is also anchors the muscles and supports the main organs of body. Third one is ligament. Two bones can be connected to each other by another type of tissue that is called as ligament. This tissue is very elastic. These have very little matrix. Fourth one is tendons. Tendons connects muscles to bones. Tendons are fibrous tissue with a great strength but limited flexibility. Fifth one is cartilage. These have wide space composed of proteins and sugars. This is found in nose, ear, trachea and larynx. We can fold the cartilage of ears. The third type of animal tissue is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue consists of elongated cells called as muscle fibers. These are responsible for movement in our body. These have special protein which contract and relax to cause movement. These have two types of muscles. They are voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. First one is voluntary muscles. These muscles are in our control. We can stop them. These are mostly attached to bones and help in body movement. These are also called as skeletal muscles. The cells of this are long and cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate. These are striated muscles. Second one is involuntary muscles. We cannot really start or stop them. They are not in our control. They are called as involuntary muscles. These are found in iris of eyes, uterus and bronchi of lungs. Cells are long with pointed ends, has one nucleus. These are unstriated muscles. Example for this is muscles of heart. These show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the life. These are cylindrical, branched and unicellular. The fourth type of animal tissue is nervous tissue. The cells of nervous tissue are highly specialized for being stimulated and then transmitting stimulus very rapidly. The brain, spinal cord and nerves are composed of nervous tissue. Cells of this tissue are called as neuron. It consists of cell body with nucleolus and cytoplasma. Usually, each neuron has a single long part called axon and many short branched parts called dendrites. An individual nerve cell may be up to a meter long. Many nerve fibers bound together by connective tissue. These help in response to stimuli. So now the structure of neuron has dendrites, cell body, axon and nerve ending. This is very important for 2-mark question. So this completes the chapter tissues. Okay.